Well, hey everybody, I got another story for you. My old best buddy Charlie went coyote hunting the other night and didn't see nothing, didn't kill nothing, heard a couple long ways away, but that was it. So we had finished up our last set and packed up and started walking back to his dad's house down the road. And we're walking down the road and Charlie's shining his light over in a field and he's looking over there and I'm looking over there in the light. And I just happened to catch something out of the corner of my eye laying in the road. I looked down and it was a dead possum, and it was right in Charlie's tracks. I mean, he was 2 steps away from it. So since he's my best buddy and I'm a pretty good guy, I wanted to warn him. Now, like I said, there wasn't a lot of time. He was about to step on this thing. I couldn't get a whole lot of details out. So I had about enough time to say, "Watch out, possum." He was about a half a step away from this thing now. Well, he looked back from that field and looked down and... Ah! He let out a scream and jumped about 3 feet in the air. Well, Jesus Christ, you asshole, I thought that thing was alive. Oh boy, I almost fell over laughing. I said, hell, I didn't have time to give you a full detail on it. You almost were about to step on it. Oh my God, I think I almost had a heart attack. Yeah, I laughed about that almost the whole way back. And after Charlie's heart slowed down a little bit, he had a few chuckles about it too.